Uh, For those of you that have not met me, I'm Dr. Allred, and if you're reading this guide, you've made a decision that most people wrestle with for a very long time. Choosing to have a joint replaced, it's not a small thing, and you've probably lived with this pain for years. I'm sure you've tried other options, and somewhere along the way, you decided that you're done letting it run your life. So before anything else, I want to say congratulations. I know it was a hard decision, but you've done it. Here's what I want you to know about what comes next. This operation, it's a partnership. My team brings the surgery, the protocols, and the follow-through, and you bring the preparation, and that preparation is far more important than you think. The patients who read this guide, they do the checklist, and they show up ready are the ones who do well. So read all of it, please. I need you to read every single word. And make sure you do it with the person that's going to help you afterwards, the person that we call your coach. Everything in here is something I tell you myself sitting right across from you in clinic. I'm honored you chose this. Let's get you ready.